Welcome to Quantastic's enchanting world of wood art, where ordinary pieces of solid wood transform into extraordinary masterpieces that spark imagination, awaken creativity, and remind us that beauty often hides in the simplest materials. And today, you're about to witness an entire universe carved from grain, texture, and nature's fingerprints. Before we dive in, take a deep breath and prepare yourself, because what you are about to see is not just woodworking. It is storytelling, sculpting, and dreaming with your hands, and every project in this video proves one powerful truth. Creativity is not about expensive tools or perfection. It's about passion, patience, and the magic you bring to the simplest piece of wood. Imagine a quiet workshop, the soft sound of a blade slicing through grain, and sunlight landing gently on a block of wood like a spotlight calling it to life. This is where every masterpiece begins. In this faceless journey, you'll see carved animals full of personality, smooth sculptures that look like flowing fabric, miniature wooden worlds so detailed they feel alive, and intricate patterns shaped by hands that see the potential inside every tree. Notice how even the smallest cuts create shapes that feel intentional, expressive, and almost magical. This is the art of turning rough edges into elegance, creating curves that look effortless, and revealing natural patterns that the wood has been hiding for decades. And the best part? Anyone can start. Even beginners. Even you. All you need is curiosity, a simple knife, maybe a chisel, and the courage to shape something new. Creativity begins where hesitation ends. Here in the Quantastic world, wood is more than a material, it is a living story. Each ring shows time. Each knot shows character. Each crack shows experience. And when artists work with this material, they are not just carving decor, they are revealing history preserved beneath the bark. That is why wooden art feels warm, emotional, and timeless. It's why people love decorating their homes with wood sculptures, wall art, layered carvings, and cute figurines, because wood feels alive, and art made from it always feels personal. Watch closely as these solid wood blocks slowly turn into expressive faces, delicate wings, swirling patterns, or graceful animals. This is the beauty of faceless art videos. You're not distracted by the maker, you're captivated by the craft. Every shaving of wood, and each delicate curl that falls to the workbench becomes part of the story, being shaped in silence. Notice how every tool movement guides the wood toward its final expression, whether it becomes a bold sculpture meant for a gallery wall, a tiny figurine that makes someone smile, or a graceful piece of decor that warms an entire home. This is the beauty of woodworking. It lets you create something meaningful from something simple. Great art doesn't begin with talent, it begins with trying. As you watch these pieces take form, imagine how they would look in your space. A carved bird perched on a shelf, a swirling abstract sculpture standing proudly on a table, or a polished wooden bowl holding tiny treasures. That's the real magic of solid wood creations. They blend perfectly into any home and add depth, soul, and character. The moment you place them on a desk, a mantle, or a bedside table, the space instantly feels warmer, more thoughtful, more alive. Every stroke of the carving tool brings the wood closer to its final personality. Is it whimsical? Is it elegant? Is it humorous? Wood art has endless moods, and that's why it captivates viewers across the world. And when carved by hand, each piece becomes one of a kind, impossible to duplicate. Even if an artist tries to make the exact same piece twice, the wood always leads the way, always guiding the final shape with its natural grain. That uniqueness is what makes handcrafted wood decor so special and so profitable. What's handmade can never be replaced. Solid wood products often sell incredibly well because they feel authentic in a world full of plastic and digital clutter. People crave texture. They crave warmth. They crave something real. And wood is as real as it gets, earthy, organic, and full of natural stories. Whether you carve miniature figurines, pendant lamps, abstract wall hangings, or detailed sculptures. Each piece has its own market and its own audience waiting to be inspired. And the best part? You don't need a fancy studio. Many artists begin at a kitchen table, a garage corner, or even a parking lot workspace with only a handful of tools. This is proof that art doesn't require perfect conditions, only a willing creator. As our faceless journey continues, focus on the gentle rhythm of carving, the slow shaving of wood, the subtle transformation from rough to smooth. You'll see hands that move with both precision and freedom, following the grain like a dance. And you'll understand why wood art feels so hypnotic, because every cut reveals more beauty than the last. Trust the process, even when the shape is still unclear. Now, imagine yourself picking up a simple block of solid wood. Nothing special, just a rectangular shape with some rough texture. You hold it, turn it, think for a moment. What could it become? A miniature animal? A small shelf ornament? A cute character with a funny expression? A symbolic minimalist sculpture? That moment, when imagination meets possibility, is where art truly begins. And watching these artists carve is like witnessing creativity in slow motion. You can almost feel the ideas coming alive through every motion. The carvings you see now demonstrate a range of styles that work beautifully for home decor. Some are smooth and polished, others rustic and textured. Some are geometric, built with precise angles, while others flow like waves frozen in time. And this variety is exactly what makes wood art exciting. You can always find a style that fits your home, your personality, or your artistic taste. And if you're a creator, this means endless opportunities to design and sell unique items that reflect your own style. Your style is your signature. Never hide it. Notice how the finishing stage brings every project to life. The moment the oil touches the wood, the grain blooms with contrast and warmth. The sculpture suddenly feels alive. The patterns glow. The curves become smooth. And the wood seems to whisper its story through those newly revealed lines. This transformation is one of the most satisfying parts of woodworking, when all your patience becomes visible. As these finished pieces are placed on a table or hung on a wall, imagine them inside a home like yours. Maybe you prefer minimalism, simple shapes, clean lines, soft tones. Or maybe you love bold, organic sculptures that start conversations. Wood art works beautifully for both. It elevates modern spaces, softens industrial ones, warms rustic rooms, and adds depth to playful spaces. There's a reason interior designers love decorating with wood. It never goes out of style. When in doubt, choose natural beauty. More importantly, wood art carries emotional value. Handcrafted pieces feel personal, meaningful, and intentional. They show effort, time, and care. And when displayed in your home, they become part of your story. Pieces that remind you of creativity, warmth, and imagination. And if you choose to sell your creations, remember this. Customers don't just buy wood, they buy the feeling it gives them. The warmth,
the charm,
the personality. That's why handcrafted wooden decor is profitable, timeless, and always in demand. As we reach the final moments of this visual journey, take a look at the incredible variety of solid wood art you've seen. Whimsical characters, elegant shapes, smooth sculptures, rustic textures, funny little creatures with personality, beautiful abstract forms that feel alive. And each one came from the same thing, a simple piece of wood and the magic of human creativity. The world always needs more of what you create. Before we close, here's your gentle reminder. Creativity never wastes wood. Every scrap can become something meaningful, a tiny carving, a decorative piece, an abstract shape, or even a functional item. So next time you see a leftover plank, a broken branch, or a piece of firewood, remember that it might be the beginning of a masterpiece. Your masterpiece. Thank you for stepping into Quantastic's world of wood art today. If this journey inspired you, entertained you, or sparked even a small spark of creativity, then this video has done its job. Keep exploring, keep carving, keep dreaming, and most importantly, keep believing in your ability to shape beauty from simple materials. Because the world is full of wood, but only you can turn it into art. Go create something magical, something unique, something that turns heads, warms hearts, and maybe even transforms your craft into a profitable passion. And remember, every masterpiece begins as a block of wood in the hands of someone brave enough to start. This is Quantastic, and your next creation is waiting. Thank you for stepping into this creative world with me today. If this video sparked even one new idea, made you smile, or inspired you to pick up a piece of wood and try something yourself, then our mission is already complete. Remember, every great artist started with nothing more than curiosity and courage, and you have both. So before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another journey into the art, beauty, and magic of handcrafted wood creations. Your support helps this channel grow, helps more artists discover their creativity, and brings even more inspiring projects to life. Until the next video, keep creating, keep imagining, and keep turning simple pieces of wood into stories worth sharing. This is Quantastic, and your next masterpiece is already waiting.